JL here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your account on Wise. So to do this is pretty simple. So here, just open up your Wise and then from there, just select a random currency if you're not yet verified. So here, let's just add a currency that we want to receive in. So let's do balance and then let's just do British pounds right here. So we have British pounds right here. So let's just get account details from here and then continue. So basically, this is how you get verified. You get verified on the way in this process too. So here, the steps to complete is deposit at least a minimum amount that they request from you in your local currency. And next is verifying your identity. So when you do this, you will need to show them your national ID card and sometimes a copy of a bank statement or a utility bill with your address on it. They're also going to request you a picture of you holding your ID or face verification when they do so. So usually they can verify it in a few minutes if you have your ID to hand, but in some cases it may take up to 2 working days. So another way you can do this is actually by going to your card and then right here ordering a card. By ordering a card, they will have to actually verify you too. So here you can get it instantly with your virtual one. So you can order a virtual card right here, and then here you want to issue the issuing country, the document type, you have to select it. Let's just say passport, and then press next. From there, you're gonna have to verify your identity using your passport, and you have to take a photo. So there you go, guys. There's just a few ways on how you verify your account on Wise. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.